guys, it's your favorite media girl here again on Weekend with Kevin, and I am super excited to be on your screen. So I know it's been quite a while since I last posted a video, but you know, exams, and I was reading and all that. But guys, guess what? I am now back. Yes, and today I'm going to be talking about something very interesting. Wait, if you've not subscribed, do that now. If you've not liked, do that now, and share this video to all your loved ones. So today I'll be talking about how teenagers can make a living for themselves now in this day and age. 1. Content creation. Yes, learning to create engaging content such as blog posts, social media posts can monetize our online presence. As a matter of fact, the video could be about our interests, our goals, what we want to achieve, and also we can also monetize our presence by ads, sponsorship, and affiliate marketing. 2. Graphic designing. Having graphic designing skills can help teenagers offer services such as logo creation, infographics, and social media graphic designing. And they can use design tools such as Canva, Adobe, or Sketch to create a visually appealing design. Code and web development. Learning to code and develop a web can help or open up opportunities for teenagers to sell online products, develop a website, and even start up their own online business. Digital marketing. Understanding digital marketing concepts such as SEO, social media marketing, and email marketing can help teenagers offer services like online marketing, social media management, content promotion, or even consulting. Video editing or production. With the rise of video content, having skills such as video editing can really help teenagers offer services such as video editing, videography, or animation. And they can use tools such as Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or DaVinci Resolve to create videos. Some popular platforms that teenagers can use to monetize their skills is Upwork, Fiverr, Twitch, Etsy, Gumwork, YouTube, or even TikTok. Remember, your skills are not for waste, and you can always monetize any skill that you want and get a financial income. So I hope with these few points of mine, most of you have gotten ideas on what to do to be able to get a financial income as a teenager. So guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Weekend with Kevin, and bye for now.